take a look at the steps we use to make the infographic. First, you click on that link here I gave you. It goes to the Google spreadsheet, which we made. I want you to go to File in the Google spreadsheet and download it as an Excel. Save it to the folder where you have your infographic on your M drive. And once you have it, double click on it and it'll open up in Excel. And you have to click on Enable Editing here. First thing we need to do is copy these titles, the columns, down to a row just above 2001. And then we simply highlight all this data, including the title headings, and go to Insert a Chart. Now we're going to use a scatter chart, and we just want one with the lines. This one actually smooths it out a bit. Now, if you don't like the layout, you can choose a few of these other layouts. They have this quick layout over here in 2013 as well. I like this because now I have my axis titles. It's a little different in 2010. And so give it a title here. And obviously this is the year. And on the vertical axis, that was the indexed value. Okay, so now we have our chart. You might want to add some major grid lines and whatnot. That's easy to do, but how do you get this into our infographic? We need an image file. So click on the charts for the whole thing shown, right click and then copy. And what we need to do is we need to get paint running. So hit the start button and type paint, and then it shows up eventually that paint as an option. That's the built-in into Windows program. Once you're in paint, you go Control V to paste. And notice that I can quickly right now click on crop here. And it crops it. So the last step you have to do is go File, Save As. And I just like using PNG. And in the same folder that you have your infographic in, so browse to your infographic folder. Save the image.